Hello students, in the previous lessons we have already learned a pair scale of G sharp major scale and its relative minor, which is F minor scale. In today's lesson we will learn A sharp major scale. This is the guitar fretboard and we will find out A sharp notes on it that later help us framing our scale. There are two possible ways to represent a scale onto a guitar fretboard that we already know. They are first using single string, second using multiple string. But before that, let's first find out our A sharp scale using major scale formula. And the major scale formula is WWH WWWH. Using this formula and using A sharp as the first note, our A sharp major scale will be B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. We can clearly say that there are two flat notes, namely B flat and E flat, and hence this scale is also called as two flat major scale. These are the A sharp notes onto the guitar fretboard. Now it's time to witness our single string representation for each string. For 6th string, our A sharp major scale starts from the 6th fret. For 5th string, it starts from 1st fret. For 4th string, it starts from 8th fret. For 3rd string, it starts from 3rd fret. For 2nd string, it starts from 11th fret. For 1st string, it starts from 6th fret again. These all are the single string representation of A sharp major scale. Moving on to the multiple string representation, we have 4 scales and 4 patterns in which 2 scales and patterns are same. Starting from the scale 1 pattern 1, our first scale starts from 5th string. 5th string 1st fret middle finger is B flat. 5th string 3rd fret pinky finger is C. 4th string open is D. 4th string 1st fret middle finger is E flat. 4th string 3rd fret pinky finger is F. 3rd string open is G. 3rd string 2nd fret ring finger is A. 3rd string 3rd fret pinky finger is B flat. Let's hear it. Our scale 2nd pattern 2 starts from the 3rd string. 3rd string 3rd fret ring finger is B flat. 2nd string 1st fret index finger is C. 2nd string 3rd fret ring finger is D. 2nd string 4th fret pinky finger is E flat. 1st string 1st fret index finger is F. 1st string 3rd fret ring finger is G. 1st string 5th fret pinky finger is A. 1st string 6th fret pinky slide is B flat. Let's hear it. Our scale 3 pattern 3 starts from the 6th string. 6th string 6th fret middle finger is B flat. 6th string 8th fret pinky finger is C. 5th string 5th fret index finger is D. 5th string 6th fret middle finger is E flat. 5th string 8th fret pinky finger is F. 4th string 5th fret index finger is G. 4th string 7th fret ring finger is A. Fourth string, 8th fret, pinky finger is B flat. Let's hear it. Our fourth and last pattern of A sharp major scale starts from the 4th string. 4th string, 8th fret, middle finger is B flat. 4th string, 10th fret, pinky finger is C. 3rd string, 7th fret, index finger is D. 3rd string, 8th fret, middle finger is E flat. 3rd string, 10th fret, pinky finger is G. 2nd string, 8th fret, index finger is G. 2nd string, 10th fret, ring finger is A. 2nd string, 11th fret, pinky finger is B flat. Let's hear it. This is all for today's lesson. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.